Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon, and today I'll be talking about the cryptocurrency called Solana. I'll be doing a price prediction, sharing you guys the news and how to find it, and also some really cool things about their website that if you're going to be trading or hodling this, then you guys really want to know more about it on the website. So let's begin. Solana is in the top 10, is number 6 on the list, sitting at $207. It has been moving really rampant in the last few days, but I'm going to show you how I am going to be doing the price prediction. Well, before we get to that, how to get involved with this cryptocurrency, they're on two different platforms, and where they're at, Coinbase and also Binance. So if you're looking at getting part of Coinbase, I have a link below. Try that out, guys. Well, let's go to their website. And the website is really cool. Now, what is Solana? Solana is a decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. Very simple. Its transactions per second is super fast, 2,475. How many transactions they had so far. Their fees are very small, and they're validated nodes. Wow. So we got a fast ecosystem, we got a fast cryptocurrency, but this is one thing I do like about their website. So they have some intro to programming on their website. They also have some really cool things into intro to Anchor framework. So if you want to learn more about their platform, please try these links. Well, now let's get to Twitter. Now I am on Twitter too, Andre J. McClendon, so try it out, guys. I do tweet quite often. But here's your Twitter page, guys. They have some other social medias that you want to check out to find news about. I'll have that linked below. But let's get to their price prediction, guys. So for the price prediction, guys, I'm using a Fibonacci extension to figure out where it can possibly go. So let's zoom in a little bit. Now, if you're already at the very bottom of Solana, then you're doing amazing. For me, I would be taking off some profits and then looking at moving my stop loss so I can control my gain even more. So our next thing will be this. If you're entering right here, so I just, obviously there's so many cryptocurrencies. For me, I would be doing a buy market right here, or entering on Coinbase, just buying, and I would be hodling this. My first price target would be the 237.89 mark. Why? Because off the Fibonacci extension from this, that is one of the clear lines that it can hit. So guys, that's my price prediction. Tell me what your guys' price prediction is below and where you entered. Because this thing is moving very quick and might be a leading contender for 2021 and 2022. So guys, let's check out my other part as my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. I have cryptocurrency news on here. I have gold and silver statistics and indicators on there that I personally back tested. If you guys want to use them, please try it out, or want to book a session about what I do and how I trade Forex and cryptocurrency so we can have that conversation, please hit me up on my Facebook or on here. But that's the video, guys. Thank you guys for making it to the end. How did I do in this video? Please drop a comment below. Tell me how I did. Please like and share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.